There are many products available to choose lawn sprinklers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best lawn sprinklers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Melnor Sprinkler with Tripod. The Melnor Deluxe Metal Pulsating Sprinkler with Tripod impressed us in more ways than one, which is why it nabbed the top spot on our list of the best lawn sprinklers. To start, we like that, aside from setting the turning range and connecting the hose, no assembly was required. The sprinkler comes with adjustable tripod legs that were initially set to the shortest height. However, these can be extended to allow the sprinkler to sit higher in the air for a longer watering range. Plus, adjusting the height was quite intuitive. Unlike other models, this pulsating sprinkler doesn't need to be staked into the ground. During testing, we found this tripod sprinkler to be very effective and easy to use across the yard in various positions. The sprinkler base has handy tabs that set the range of the side-to-side oscillations and allow you to control the coverage area. Number 2. Dramm ColorStorm 9-Pattern Turret Sprinkler. If you have a small yard, the best lawn sprinkler is the Dramm Premium Turret Sprinkler. The unit was easy to set up, and we found that it was very efficient during testing. We liked that this model features 9 spray patterns, so you can choose which suits your needs best. While the distance is not specifically adjustable, selecting a different pattern can result in a wider or smaller spray area. We tested this sprinkler on an irregular-sized yard and were able to set it to spray only the specific areas that required watering. The sprinkler fit into the water source perfectly, and we did not notice any leaks, drips, or clogs. This pick has a lower water pressure than other picks, and there's no water pressure setting, so to adjust this, we simply turn the faucet to the desired flow. This heavy sprinkler is made from metal and designed to withstand outdoor conditions and regular use. Number 3. Orbit Impact Sprinkler. The Orbit Impact Sprinkler on tripod base is a great option for those with larger yards. We tested this sprinkler out on a 1/4-acre lot with new sod and found that it provided great coverage of around 80 feet in diameter. The sprinkler comes fully set up and ready to go straight out of the box. It's perched atop an adjustable tripod that can be set to various different heights based on individual needs. The higher the setting, the larger the radius coverage. The hose, which connects securely and doesn't leak, has different spray settings that allow you to pick the most effective option for your yard. During testing, we only had to move the sprinkler once to sufficiently cover every square inch of lawn. We were also able to cover the front yard in 2 positions, one on each side of the driveway. There is a setting that can either limit the rotation or allow it to go a full 360 degrees. Number 4. Orbit Traveling Sprinkler. The Orbit Traveling Sprinkler might be more expensive than other options, but it will travel around the garden by itself thanks to its 2 spiked back wheels and a front wheel that is designed to crawl along your hose. This lawn sprinkler comes in handy especially if you have irregular-shaped gardens, as it can even go around bends. This lawn sprinkler comes in 3 pieces: the metal tractor base, an attachment for the sprinkler arms, and the arms themselves. The instructions were straightforward, no special tools were needed, and the hose attached effortlessly. We tested this mini watering tractor on a large 2-acre yard, and it provided a thorough watering with minimal effort on our part to use it. The tractor moves slowly to ensure proper watering and distribution, hydrating every inch of grass. We loved its hands-off approach, the ability to guide its direction and speed, and the fact that it didn't leak at all. Number 5. Flantor Drip Irrigation Kit. The Flantor Drip Irrigation Kit is a versatile sprinkler set that has many setup options and comes with more than enough accessories to cover all watering needs. As this is a whole irrigation system, it took a little studying of the instructions to understand the many different parts and accessories. Once we figured assembly out, setup was surprisingly easy. We didn't have to use any tools, other than a pair of scissors to cut the tubing into the exact sizes we needed. It doesn't have any special features, but it is completely customizable, which we liked. This sprinkler comes with over 100 accessories, including 20 mist nozzles and 20 dripper nozzles, and 70 feet of irrigation tubing in total to water areas of up to 110 square feet. The spray from each sprinkler is intentionally tiny, making it great for flower beds and vegetable patches. The system hose fits securely on the hose end, and didn't leak, drip, or clog during testing. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.